After buying a monetized YouTube channel, what next? Hi everyone, this is Monetized and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about what you can do and what you should do to take your channel from where it is now to where you want it to be. Okay, a lot of people actually want to go into YouTube, they want to run a successful YouTube business, but they don't know how to do it. Okay, and they think the easy way out is buying a already monetized YouTube channel. In the first instance, why people go for monetized YouTube channel is because it is already earning. They want to start earning immediately, and monetized YouTube channel is giving them that opportunity. If the channel already have some subscribers, it has some content already, so you can have the opportunity of uh, starting to earn on your YouTube channel immediately. Okay, that is the advantage of having a an already monetized channel over trying to build your own YouTube channel from scratch. Okay, but most people, once they buy the channel, they don't even know how to grow the channel. Okay, maybe the channel is making you $500 per month, or maybe it's making less than that. How do you go from there to something like maybe $10,000 per month? Okay, so you have to create more content. You have to be creating more content that your subscribers, they will find it engaging, they will find it as high quality content that they will value. Okay, so if you don't have any experience about creating content, or maybe you even bought a, a kind of monetized channel that is totally different from the niche that you will be making videos on. Okay, so how do you cope with this kind of situation? I have watched Tayo Aina, YouTube influencer. I've watched him grow his channel over years. Okay, so he has about 500,000, over 500,000 subscribers on his channel right now. If you go to YouTube, you can check, you can confirm. Okay, this information I'm giving to you now is true information. It is true. Okay, is complete truth. There is nothing fake about it. Okay, so he is a kind of influencer on YouTube, and he has been growing his channel. Okay, so if you have problem growing your channel, the best way to get solution is to seek more knowledge about how you can grow your channel. And what I have noticed is successful YouTubers, they don't like sharing their secrets with people. A lot of upcoming content creators, they message me on Facebook. I can even show you some of the messages. They will complain that the top YouTubers, they are asking them questions, they are just shunning them. You ask people, how can you do this? How can you do that? They shun you, and you also want to grow. So how do you go about it? So that's the essence video, to bring the necessary help to you if you have been looking for a way to grow your channel but you are not getting the help that you need. This is help coming your way. Okay, Tayo Aina started from nothing. Let me give you a kind of a background on how he has been able to achieve this wonderful feat. Okay, he started from nothing, zero subscribers, with low end, a very cheap smartphone. Okay, he did not have any expensive recording gears when he started, and gradually he built his channel. The first income he made after his channel was monetized was about $90. Okay, in 2019. And from $90, it grew its revenue to $10,000 in 2020. And in 2021, it was able to grow its revenue to over $100,000. So this is the kind of growth. And I've watched so many uh, YouTubers, all these top YouTubers, and what they always talk about is that when you want to experience growth on YouTube, your earnings, it is always massive. It will just skyrocket, okay? And that is what we are seeing Tayo Aina also doing now, okay? So he is kind enough to put together his secret, all the secrets he has been using to make all this massive growth, to get this massive growth. He put everything together into a course known as Tayo Aina, the YouTube Creators Academy. The course is a very comprehensive course that contains every single thing that you need to know for you to start, grow, and run a successful YouTube business. Okay. So even though you are not starting afresh, you are not starting from scratch, okay? You want to start from a monetized YouTube channel, okay? You have already bought the channel, no problem. You still need to learn how to create high quality and high value content that it will automatically attract subscribers for you, okay, so that your channel will continue to grow and your earnings will continue to grow. So if you have been struggling, or let me even ask you, do you really want to have a successful business and you want your earnings to also skyrocket? Do you want that? If that is what you want, okay, click on the link in the description to this video and it will take you to the Tayo Aina Creators YouTube Creators Academy. So you enroll so that you can also experience massive and exponential growth in your income. Okay, till I see you in my next video, I say bye bye and God bless. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell icon so that you will be notified when I release a new video. Till I see you, bye bye and stay blessed.